Welcome to a day in the life of an indie game developer here in Ireland. I start my morning with an existential crisis and then I walk over to the closed chair, the chair, and I grab my outfit for the day. I follow my cat downstairs who tells me that my breakfast is in the fridge and I say hello to the Tetris pile. Then I brush my teeth because it is obligatory. And then I put on a lot of sunscreen because I am a vampire. Then I turn on my computer to get things kick-started for the day. And I did yoga in my jeans today because I forgot to change into my yoga outfit, but you know what, this is the life I lead, so whatever. I clock into Flown because as an ADHDer, I need body doubling. And then I clock into work. Gambrinus is an Irish studio and we're mostly remote. And we're working on an upcoming gothic horror co-op game. I'm super excited about it. I keep working away, getting things done, and then about 10 a.m. I get ready to lead the stand-up. We have stand-ups every morning to check in with the rest of the team and see what everyone's up to.
And your random fact for today is that McDonald's serves spaghetti in the Philippines, and as suspected, it is called Max Spaghetti.
And then afterwards, it's back to work, meetings, coordinating, making sure everything gets done on time because that is my job. I've already revealed the playable characters in our game, but honestly, we have so much other stuff that's yet to come out, and I'm super excited. So yeah, think about following if you're interested. Had a salad for lunch and then also changed into workout gear because I wanted to go for a walk. And even though I'm a vampire, I did head out in the sun. And I didn't burn, yay. After that, it's time to head back to work with my obscenely loud clackety keyboard that I love. And you'll usually find me in some sort of spreadsheet somewhere. Yep. Then I check in with my cats to check if they still love me. Good news, they do. And then I like to wind down with my PlayStation and also a very good book. And that's me. That's my life pretty much in a nutshell. Good night.